Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add insects to Vivarium. So if you want to show up those rare bugs you've been catching, Vivarium is the perfect way to display your collections and turn your home into a miniature nature museum. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first you can just go near your vivarium like this. This one is aquarium, so so this is mine. So what you need to do is just click on this button with insects or butterfly icon on it. Then you can just select the insects that you want to add. For example, I'm going to add this one, and also this is the Green Tiger Beetle, and also this one. Just click on complete, and that's it. So it will be added to your vivarium. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.